Welcome to Snowboarding Shenanigans, featuring Newton's 3 laws of motion. We are your hosts,
Garrett
and Andy.
Starting off, Newton's first law of motion states that an object in motion will stay in motion until acted upon by an outside force, also known as inertia. In this video, you will see the snowboarder was moving until stopped by the skier. The snowboarder, or the object, was in motion and would have kept moving in that same direction if they had not hit the skier, the outside force.
Newton's second law of motion states that the force of an object equals the mass times the acceleration, or F equals m times a. Or, more commonly, we manipulate the equation and instead solve for acceleration. That equation would be a equals F divided by m. Acceleration equals force divided by mass. As you can see in this image, the snowboarder is going down the slope due to gravity pulling them down. If the snowboarder weighs more, they are going to accelerate more. The angle of the slope also influences the acceleration of a snowboarder. If the slope is steeper, then it will accelerate more. So knowing this information, we can conclude that a child on the bunny hill is going to accelerate less than an adult on a black diamond hill.
Now for the third and final law of motion. It states that every action will have an equal and opposite reaction. This video displays a snowboarder running into a skier and then both bouncing off each other in opposite directions. As seen in the video, the snowboarder, despite having much more velocity than the skier, bounces back the same distance as the skier, just in the opposite direction. This proves that the action had an equal and opposite reaction. Another example of an object having an equal and opposite reaction is when you're just standing on the ground. You're pushing against the ground, gravity, and the floor pushes back at you. This is called normal force. Without the normal force, you would fall through the floor to the center of the earth. If you aren't on the ground, the main force acting on you is gravity. As seen in this video, the snowboarder, Gavin, is not just hovering in air, but he falls because gravity is the overall force in the downward direction and there is no normal force.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on Snowboarding Shenanigans.
Shout out Gavin Carpenter.